Hello, this is Richard, and this is the video to learn how to add a page. So right now we're in the dashboard section of the website, and if we just go on the left hand side here and click on Pages, and then we click on Add New, and this menu here lets us add a new page. You just enter the title that you want for the page, okay, and then we want to make sure we're in the Visual Editor tab. So if it's not already on Visual, click on the Visual tab, and this will bring up what's known as a WYSIWYG editor, or what you see is what you get. So you can just type in your text, okay, and you can play around with different font sizes and bold, italics, very similar to Word. And you can also add pictures if you'd like by clicking on this button here, Add an Image, and then it'll bring up a new dialog box, and you can select files from your computer, and I'll choose this picture, and it'll upload it onto the server, and then you can add a couple different things here. It's usually good to add alternate text because if the picture does not load in the browser, then it will display the alternate text. It's just a common web standard. So this is a table saw, and then we can add a caption for that. And then generally what I do is I take out the link URL by pressing none here, and that's because if you keep the link URL in there, then once the web page will allow somebody to click on the picture, and then it'll just bring them to the picture again, so it's not very useful at all. Then down here it'll ask if you want left, center, right alignment, and then also important is the size of the image. You generally don't want to exceed a width of say 300 pixels, and that's because of the size of the smartphone screens. So in this case the full size is only 250 pixels wide, so that's okay. So we'll just keep the full size, and then lastly I click Insert to Post, and there it is. Alright, if you want to insert a video, there's a couple different things you can do, but the first thing you should do is upload your video to YouTube. That's because you're going to get the best performance out of uploading videos to YouTube, because they have a mobile optimized version that just does everything automatically for you, so it looks best on smartphones. So once you have your YouTube video uploaded, okay, you can add it by doing one of two things. You can go to Add Video, okay, and then you can go from URL and then copy and paste that YouTube address for your video into this box here, and then you can even give it a title. This is a Humdinger video, and then insert into the post. Okay, so what that is that's just a text link to the YouTube video that you've already uploaded. If you want, say, like a thumbnail image that links instead of just a text link, what you can do is you can add an image that's your thumbnail. Okay, say it's that. Okay, and then here at link URL, instead of linking to just the image, we can link to the YouTube video using the YouTube address, and then paste that into there. And then the user would then click on that picture, it would bring them to the YouTube video. So once we've got all of our text and images and video, then we just hit publish, and then if I just go to my iPhone simulator, if I click on the, first I have to refresh my browser, I can click on menu, and there in the menu section is my test page here. And then here is what the content would look like on an iPhone. So there we have it.